I am Ricky Martinez, and I am going to show you a demonstration of a volcano eruption. But first, I will give you information about real volcanoes. The magma inside volcanoes is molten rock, when it overheats, then it bursts out of the volcano, forming ash or lava. And there are 6 different types of volcanoes: lava dome, cinder cone, stratovolcano, shield volcano, caldera, and flood basalt plateau. A volcano's purpose is that when a planet is cold outside, that means it's very hot inside, because there is so much heat inside that it needs to take out some heat. Whenever volcanoes erupt, they release lava on the cold surface of the planet, and sometimes cooled lava forms volcanic rocks, and I happen to have one right here. This volcanic rock may have been made after lava has been cooled, or when lava touched it. It may have been a real rock, or it may have been carved out of cooled lava.
How many volcanoes are there in the world?
There are more than 1,500. We will start off at pouring a half spoon of baking soda.